That was a look at the almanac page. Rain and mountain snow for tomorrow. I'm News Center Maine meteorologist Jason Nappi here, tracking the temps and also the precip coming our way. We will dry out after that, kind of call it a storm for tomorrow, but yes, it is somewhat of a storm. Then we cool down as we get into spring on Tuesday. Storm signal for next weekend. Still got several days to fine tune that forecast. Let's talk about what's happening right now. Onshore flow here. Look at the carved out blue. It's the onshore flow. It's also kind of like a sea breeze element happening here, pushing inland. Temperature out in the ocean, 41 in the Gulf of Maine, moderating somewhat. That nice sunshine today warmed the ground, gave off that heat. 50 in Acton, Parsons Field 50, Freiburg 50, and you're seeing 36 up in Rangeley. Let's head up the mid-coast, down east, northern Maine, mid-30s Frenchville. This is a spring preview here as temperatures here are on the milder side. Obviously here with the cloud cover and the showers earlier on down east, not as much in the way of warmth, but we'll take it. The showers I just spoke about, here they are still going through down east Maine, moving south of Bangor around the mid-coast and also up towards Washington County, but those will be exiting later on tonight. Here's the next system to come through, Ottawa, Toronto. This will be pushing east into the overnight time after about midnight or so. Timing out now this evening, still showers around Waterville, north of Rockland, Bar Harbor, up northwest of Calais, Machias, here seeing shower activity. So these showers are going to persist at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night for central Maine, down east Maine. Not a big deal, more nuisance type variety. And then the actual system doesn't get here until really past midnight. Snow, Boundary Plateau, North Woods, the Allagash, seeing that 8 o'clock in the morning. Rain south of that, foothills, really only mountain snow. Rain continues here, southern coast, southwest interior, mid-coast, pushes through. 37 is not going to cut it if you're looking for snow for sure, for sure. Now, by Sunday, here we go with the storm. It's pushing east, and we're drying out and clearing out. So 3 o'clock in the afternoon, sun coming out, temperatures warming up in Freiburg, a westerly wind component. Into Sunday night, sky clears outside of that upslope flow here, western mountains, Boundary Plateau, up towards the county. But we clear out into Monday, middle of the day. Clouds passing inland, but along the coastline for the most part clearing out. Then that wind here goes more westerly into Monday evening. Snow up towards the White Mountains in New Hampshire Monday late. Now here we go as far as precip wise. Now it's not a lot. I mean, this is nuisance type variety precip amount. 0.1 Portland, so 0.2 Wiscasset. A little bit more here, especially in the upslope regions where you can kind of wring out more of that moisture. Now, in a place like Millinock at a ½ an inch, that's a little bit of a mixture of rain and snow. Same thing up in Rangeley at the 0.2 there. So I'll put the snowfall map on. You can see a lot of zeros through Sunday evening. 1 inch up in Caribou. I think the Allagash is the best shot at snow here. Higher peaks, western mountains, White Mountains there. You're seeing the presidential range, but everyone else is at 0. We've got a trough to start next week, wouldn't you know, as we get into spring. Here's that trough digging out. And then as we get later into the week, a little moderation. The dip in the jet stream tries to pull a little bit north, but still, we're starting spring on the cooler side, as you'll see here with the temperatures. 50 degrees on Sunday, 42 is the typical high. We'll be at that Tuesday, first day of spring. And then we cool down as we get to the end of the week next week. 38, 36, 36. That is a cooler pattern with the trough coming in, and that is a storm signal, but don't have that ironed out just yet. Seas at 4 to 6 feet, wind southwest 20 to 25 knots for the Mariners, gusting to 30 knots. Small craft is up. The next several days of the forecast, it's rain and mountain snow Sunday. Monday, sun, 2 clouds. Tuesday, first day of spring, right about where you expect this time of the year. Wednesday, a light rain and snow, not even really a storm, a passing couple of showers there. Then we cool off to end the week, the first weekend of spring. Temperatures in the 30s, a storm signal, not a guarantee. For the coast, light rain on Sunday. Monday, sun to clouds. Tuesday, sun and clouds, first day of spring, 43, not bad. And then we cool off as that trough swings in, and we get that storm signal on Saturday. Updates on the social media as we get through tonight and the next several hours and days. Thanks for following along.